Today, we're diving into the heart and soul of Spanish cuisine, uncovering the rich history behind a dish that's not just a meal but a celebration on a plate. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's paella. We're embarking on a journey to the birthplace of paella, the enchanting land of Valencia, Spain. Close your eyes and imagine the sun-drenched landscapes, where every grain of rice soaks up the warmth of the Mediterranean sun. Now, paella wasn't born in a Michelin-starred kitchen. It emerged from the humble fields where farmers and workers would cook up a communal feast. The name, paella, itself comes from the Old Valencian word, patella, which refers to the wide, shallow pan it's cooked in. Picture this. A group of friends gathered around an enormous paella pan, the aroma of saffron and simmering goodness filling the air. It wasn't just a meal. It was a celebration of life, a testament to the rich agricultural heritage of the region. Now, you might be wondering, when did this culinary fiesta begin? Well, grab your time travel aprons, because we're going back to the 18th century, when rice cultivation took root in Valencia. Farmers, ingenious as always, started throwing whatever ingredients they had, rabbit, chicken, beans, into a paella pan over an open flame. And just like that, the first chapter of our paella story was written. Alright, now that we've got the backdrop painted with the colors of Valencia, let's zoom in on the heart and soul of paella, its tantalizing ingredients. It's like assembling the Avengers, but in a paella pan. First up, let's talk about saffron. This crimson gold isn't just a spice. It's the diva of the dish, adding that rich, golden hue and a flavor that's as luxurious as a red carpet entrance. Fun fact: saffron is like the world's most expensive highlighter. You just need a pinch to make everything pop. Now, imagine this: succulent seafood, tender chicken, and maybe a hop, skip, and jump with rabbit. It's like a protein parade. These ingredients don't just coexist. They come together to create a flavor symphony that will make your taste buds do a happy dance. And for our veggie lovers out there, fear not. Bell peppers, tomatoes, and beans join the party, adding a burst of color and freshness that makes you feel like you're savoring a piece of Valencia's sun-soaked fields. Now, don't be intimidated by the seemingly long list. Think of it as assembling your dream team. Each ingredient has a role to play, and together, they create paella magic. But here's the kicker: there's no one-size-fits-all recipe for paella. Families have their secret twists, chefs add their signature moves, and each plate tells a unique story. So, whether you're a seafood lover, a chicken aficionado, or a veggie enthusiast, paella has a version that'll make your taste buds sing. Picture this: a group of friends gathered around a giant paella pan, sharing stories, laughter, and of course, this mouth-watering dish. The pan isn't just a cooking vessel. It's a symbol of community and togetherness. Paella isn't just confined to the sunny shores of Spain. It's a globetrotter. From the bustling streets of Barcelona to the quaint kitchens of Latin America, the world has embraced the joy that is paella. Who knew a humble rice dish could become a global sensation? It's like the Beyoncé of the food world. Everyone wants a piece. Now, let's fast forward a bit and uncover the exciting evolution of this culinary gem. Paella isn't stuck in the history books. It's a living, breathing dish that's constantly evolving. Picture this: chefs around the world, donning their culinary capes, adding their unique twists to the classic recipe. It's like paella met a genie and got 3 wishes. Traditionalists might raise an eyebrow, but hey, change is the spice of life, right? We've got fusion paellas, gourmet paellas, and even vegetarian paellas that could convert the most dedicated carnivore. It's a beautiful dance between tradition and innovation. While some chefs stick to the time-honored techniques, others are like culinary rebels, pushing the boundaries and creating paella masterpieces that make you rethink everything you thought you knew about this iconic dish. And let's not forget the global influence. Paella has become a world traveler, adapting to local ingredients and culinary traditions. From the streets of Miami to the bustling markets of Tokyo, the world has embraced paella in all its delicious forms. It's like paella put on a backpack and decided to explore the flavors of the world. Who would have thought a dish born in the fields of Valencia would become a global sensation? And there you have it, the tantalizing tale of paella, a dish that's not just a meal but a journey through history and flavor. If you enjoyed this gastronomic adventure, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a bite of our food stories. Until next time, food and history lovers, keep exploring, keep cooking, and most importantly, keep savoring the stories behind every bite. Bon appétit!